So today's video, we're going to be showing you some slick products and me replacing my chain. So let's get to the video.
All cleaned up. We were at Darkwater last weekend and we just haven't had time to service her up. You know, working that 8 to 5 job and doing some extra side jobs, trying to support this habit. So videos are gonna suck a little bit. They can be very spaced apart due to the fact that I'm doing a lot of this on my own, and I'm trying to just show my son. You put your mind to it, do a lot of hard work, it will pay off in the end. Just it takes time. So I just want to be an example for him, and I started the channel and to show other people and maybe younger folks that put your mind to it and do some hard work, and you can do whatever you want. So let's change the chain. There's that master link's not looking too pretty, and yeah, I'm not taking no chances. At the track, so I got a new chain. We're gonna replace it, and yeah, there we go.
I know that's bullshit.
Enjoy the video editing, editing all that crazy shit out. I gotta take a shit though, for real.
This is the part of the video where we're trying to figure out the length of the chain and how far back to keep the tire.
I feel
So
like it keeps the front end down more when you have the back tire back farther.
Yeah, but how far forward are you really going? Like that, just to get a little bit of play.
I don't know. I don't know how much I mean, I never really messed with this stuff till now. I never really thought about moving the wheel all the way back like I have it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, just to get a little bit of slack on the chain. You're not. It's not like you're moving all the way forward.
No.
You're just moving it just a little bit just to get some
I
play.
wonder how much room we got to move it back though. I mean, we got plenty.
Where's the circle? Where's the circle in? Where the axle goes through?
Oh, that's pretty far. Like, I think I got another, I don't know, probably an eighth, which an eighth is a lot.
Well, dude, loosen it up. Oh, I didn't bring my socket. Can you do that?
Yeah, I gotta torque it to 100
I
foot-pounds.
meant to loosen it for now.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking. Is if maybe we
I would loosen it, fucking pull the tire back, see what it looks like.
maybe before we cut it.
Yeah, and then if you can't go back far enough, then do just that little bit forward. And like I said, eventually it's gonna stretch anyway, so then you'll be back to where you were.
I just can't believe how much this work. Dude, look at the clip. Look at the master link. I am so glad I bought a fucking chain.
Ooh, that's good.
It was about to
That
break in half.
fucking wore down.
Yeah, it was about to break in half.
That really rubbed, dude. Holy shit.
That's why I said. I'm like,
good thing you didn't.
that's why I'm like thinking, like when I was down at Scott's, I'm like, I really don't want to spend the extra money right now, but
Yeah, well, glad you did, because that would have caused more damage.
well, that's exactly what was in my brain when I was down there. I'm like, this chain lets loose, especially when you're like doing those tabletops, man. That thing will let loose, man. That tire whipping that hard.
That's really hard to believe.
Yeah, dude.
Not believe anything was in your brain.
Yeah, that's a bunch of marbles. It doesn't rattle around a lot. Once in a while, a good marble pops in, you know. Alright.
It's video gold, buddy.
Video gold. Yeah.
Take it back off.
You hit the OK button on top.
I don't think I did.
No, I'm saying that's what you hit to make it record or
Alright.
or pause it.
Gotcha. Take it back off.
Is that's probably too tight, huh?
Can't see where you're at. Little stretch.
So we got the chain done, and that's the closing of this video. Yeah. Next week we'll be at Breezewood, and we'll have some video footage from that. Hopefully I'll leave there in one piece. Have a good day.